So guys, we are going to the rice field again. And tilt the rice field. I don't know why there are many kids here. Oh, I don't know what they are doing there. There are many kids. And if I hear it sounds like a song, keeps coming back, a familiar song. I think I'm not alone. I hear your loud down. It's making me say, if you hear it 3 times, ting, 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 ting. So, a while ago, I have you call this? I have my 3 dogs accompanying me, but now they are not here anymore because I don't know. I think they're scared. Those kids up there in the church. My mistake. 2 of them, only 2 of them. 2 of them, yeah. 2 of my dogs managed to come and follow me, while the other one, yeah. Hello. While the other one, the brown dog, I think that's the one that was afraid to follow me today. So anyways, I don't have any problems because I'm only going to the rice field. The weather a while ago is good. Seems like it will not rain because the sky is pure blue. But about 30 minutes after past 30 minutes, now as you can see, the sky is being shadowed by uh, the black clouds or dark clouds. What I mean of being shadowed is that the sky is the sky has black clouds, something like that. So here's the white one, and the other is the mother dog is still up there. I can't I don't know the English words. I don't know. Tilting the rice field. I don't know the right word, but I'll just show you later on what I will be doing. Oh. That was just downhill and small uphill, but seems like I'm already exhausted. I don't know. Don't know, I'm easily exhausted today. Of course, I'll try. So, time check. 8:40 a.m. and it's already 7 minutes and 45 seconds. So there's still 7 minutes. So actually I'll just go here to the rice field at least up until 12 p.m. Yeah, it depends on the truck, the jeepney truck will come up here at Maligkong in 12 o'clock because I need to go to Sitio Fanguraw to Turning Point and get the feeds, the food for the pigs. So I just have negative 3 hours. I mean negative 4 hours to work. That's the positive, but to turn it into reality or negative, just that I have only 3 hours and 18 minutes, I think. So here is the cow, but I don't know, there's a cow up there, carabao up there too. I don't know where to put this. So as you can see, oh, this is what I will do today, something like this. But as you can see, I don't know, I just think that yesterday my father just uh, tilt this rice field using this kind of method, but I think my father just used that thing, and of course that thing too, just like this. But using this and the Carabao is way more faster, and it digs the soil uh, in the soil deeper, and of course faster, because that Carabao is the ones who is pulling that thing, and it is just, of course, it needs a human intervention also, human control to control the Carabao and that thing for the directions. That's why it becomes like this. So after this, so that's this is what was left. I think it is smaller already. This is bigger, so I think just that I don't have to use that. I think I just need to go to as of today, I just need to go to the forest as of today. Yeah, change plan. But I don't have any bags or cellophane to put some mushrooms, so of course I need to find an eco bag, or what do you call that, an eco bag or cellophanes to put some mushrooms that we find, because I think it is not that, I think it is better to use that Carabao, because using that thing, this thing is only applicable for if the soil is very smooth, or like this, in this area only, this area, which is it's not hard to dig, something like that. I don't know to tilt, something like that, but this is hard. That's why it uses two different kind of farming tools, and of course using the Carabao to pull the human. Next thing is easy, because we are just going to redirect the Carabao, and the Carabao is pulling us. So it's already 14 minutes, so see you on the part 2, because I did not yet verify my YouTube account, because I need a new SIM card, so I can only upload up to 15 minutes. So that's it, and see you on the part 2.